Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. We have grown, we've done more videos than anybody else by far, and now we're going to be doing another video. It's super late, you can probably tell. Who is eligible for SSI disability benefits? I can't believe I've never done this video. Like, I've done versions of this video, but I never did this video. Who is eligible for SSI disability benefits? Okay, so if we define eligible as like who can apply and potentially be found disabled, that's what we're talking about here. SSI equals Supplemental Security Income. It's the poverty-based disability program. So the first thing you should be thinking is poor. You have to be poor to be able to get onto SSI, like less than $2,000 in your bank account, not more than one home, not more than a couple crappy cars or just one car. One car can be worth whatever. Not more than $1,500 in a life insurance policy that's going to be paying to you. There's all these poverty-based restrictions, these financial asset restrictions that limit your ability to get onto Social Security disabilities-based Supplemental Security Income program because it is a poverty-based disability program. So think poor. The other thing that basically has to happen is you have to not be working and earning over SGA or even really close to it because they'll just deny you anyways. SGA is a financial amount, just think around like $1,300, that basically if you're earning up and around that per month, they're not going to find you disabled. And if you're earning over it, you're not eligible for those months of disability anyways. It's a little less than $1,300 right now in 2020. Then the next thing I want you to think about is when it comes to your impairment. Your impairment has to have lasted 12 months or will last 12 months or be terminal. So it's got to last a while, right? This can't be something where you've got it and then 3 months later, oh, I don't have it anymore. I was in a car accident, but now I'm doing pretty good. You have to be able to have a severe impairment that is similar to other severe impairments of their severity, right? So I know what you're thinking, oh, it must be super bad. It's not emotional. It's like, do you meet these metrics? Do you meet these elements? Do you meet these bullet points? Do you meet this machine output when you go on that machine, that medical machine that says this? It's all objective-based evidence when it comes to medical review. You've got to be able to not do the jobs you did in your past. You've got to be able to not do the jobs that exist out there that are simple jobs that you could potentially do going forward. A lot of doctors that have hired me to represent them when they became impaired or disabled, they'll be like, do they really expect me to go and work, as a stock clerk at a, convenience store? And my quick answer to that is absolutely 100% yes. They really do expect you to go ahead and work as a stock clerk doing stocking-based functions even when you used to be a postdoctorate level specialty physician. Okay? So those are the types of people who can basically go on to Supplemental Security Income. That's how they become eligible to potentially be found disabled, so long as they have ... severe or extreme impairments. And impairments just means disabilities, and disabilities just means things that limit their ability to do functional tasks such as work tasks or home tasks. Home tasks are like cooking, cleaning, laundry, yada yada. Work tasks are like, for example, being able to function around others, being able to finish what you start, being able to lift certain things, transport them, etc., etc. Most of those things are transferable to home as well, but you get the point. All right, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. It's getting super late. I'm going to be doing a couple more videos, and then we'll be calling it a night. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and we will go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.